In this tutorial, we'll look at how to obtain the measures of variability on a variable. And in particular, we'll obtain the standard deviation, the variance, the minimum, maximum, and the range. We have the variable exam score in this example, where we have 15 people who each provided an exam score. So we have the exam scores for 15 different people. Now let's go ahead and go to Analyze, and then Descriptive Statistics. Now we can actually either use frequencies or descriptives to obtain the measures of variability that we're interested in. Let's go ahead and start with descriptives. Okay, we move our variable over, and then go to Options. And here let's deselect mean, because we don't need that. Notice under Dispersion, we have standard deviation, minimum and maximum are already checked. Variance and range are not. So let's go ahead and check the variance and the range. That's everything we want, so click Continue, and then click OK. And our output window opens, and we have the output there. And notice in this table, we have the variable exam score. We have 15 values, as we already saw. The range is 39. The range is the highest score minus the lowest score. The minimum value is 58. The maximum is 97. Rounding to 2 decimal places, the standard deviation is 11.32, and the variance is 128.12. You know, before we close here, let's go back and this time run the analysis through frequencies. So we'll go to our data. We're going to run the analysis on this through frequencies. So Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. We'll move our variable over again. Go to Statistics. And then notice here we have Dispersion. Now we want to select all of these values with the exception of the last one. Let's not select the standard error of the mean. Okay, click Continue. Deselect this checkbox here so the frequency tables are not displayed. And then click OK. All right, we get our new output. And in this table, notice that we have virtually the same information with one very slight difference. We have missing reported, which is 0, meaning we had no missing values, or we have values for every single person in our data. And but otherwise, we have the standard deviation and variance. Although they're reported in a different order for frequencies versus descriptives, the same values are here, 11.32. We saw 11.32 here. The variance is the same. We have our minimum and maximum, 58 and 97, and then the range is 39. Okay, so that's it. You can obtain measures of variability using either approach, whichever one you prefer. This concludes the tutorial on obtaining measures of variability in SPSS.